Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix time limit reached on iPhone. So if you just say this pop on your iPhone when you're using a particular application, and then you click on OK, you try to go ahead and open the application again, then you're going to say you have reached your limit on the application, then here's how to fix it. There are two ways to go about this. First, you can ask for more time. So for you to ask for more time, you need to enter your screen time passcode if you know it, or click on 1 more minute. So if you choose 1 more minute, this is going to make sure the application is accessible for the next 1 minute. However, if you want to fix this permanently or remove the screen time reach on the application, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and then go ahead and click on screen time. Once you selected screen time, scroll down, locate app limits and click on it. Once you selected app limit, click on the list of applications you have under app limits. Then type in your screen time passcode. Once you type that, then you should see the application here. Now you can see the time is set for 1 minute every day. So after 1 minute, this is going to stop the application from working. So what you simply need to do here is come here, click on edit list. Then you can either remove the application from the list, click on add, or delete the list to remove all the application under this on your iPhone. So you can just go ahead, click on add list and then add another application you want to set the limit on. Now, if you go back to the app menu and then open the YouTube application, then you should see the limit removed. Is that? So that is basically how you can fix time reached limit on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.